A cruise is such a wonderful way to see the world. It is like a floating hotel that takes you to new and exciting places. This guide will help you plan your first amazing cruise adventure. We will walk through everything, step by step. This will make booking your trip easy and fun. We will cover cruises that sail from India and those that explore far-off lands. The key is to take it one decision at a time. Soon, you will be all set for an unforgettable journey on the sea. Planning a trip should be just as exciting as the trip itself. First, you need to make a few big choices. Do you want to stay close to home or travel far away? A domestic cruise in India is a great place to start. You could sail from Mumbai to Goa, Lakshadweep Islands. These trips are often shorter and can be more budget-friendly. On the other hand, an international cruise opens up a whole world of possibilities. Now for the fun part, research. It is time to look at different cruise lines and see where they go. Start by visiting official cruise line websites. For cruises in India, look up companies like Cordelia Cruises, Angria. For international trips, big names include Royal Caribbean, Norwegian Cruise Line, Costa Cruises. Spend time looking at the routes they offer. See which cities or islands the ship stops at. These stops are called ports of call. Pick a route that visits places you want to see. As you research, compare what each ship has to offer. Modern cruise ships are like floating cities, so much to do. Look for the ship's amenities, swimming pools, water slides, a movie theater, a spa. Before you click that book button, it is very important to understand what is included in your cruise fare. Reading the fine print now will help you avoid any surprises later. Most cruise fares include your accommodation, your cabin for the trip, main dining rooms, buffet restaurants, live shows, music, access to the pools, gym are also part of the price. This is great. A lot of your vacation is prepaid. However, not everything on the ship is free. These are exclusions or extra, and they can add up. Alcoholic beverages, specialty coffees, soft drinks, spa treatments, massages, facials. If you want to stay connected, you will likely have to pay for a Wi-Fi package. Shore excursions at each port also cost extra. Finally, many cruise lines add a daily gratuity or tip for the crew to your bill. Knowing these potential extra costs helps you budget for your whole trip. Now, let's double-check those travel documents. After you receive your booking confirmation, your next step is to plan your travel to the port. The port is the city where your cruise begins and ends. You need to find out exactly which cruise terminal your ship will be using. In India, major cruise ports are in cities like Mumbai, Goa, Kochi, Chennai. For international cruises, you might be flying to a port city like Singapore, Dubai, Miami, Rome. It is very important to give yourself plenty of time to get there. Delays can happen with flights, trains, and you do not want to risk missing your ship. The best advice anyone can give you is to arrive in your port city at least one day before your cruise departs. Book a hotel for the night. This takes all the stress out of your travel day. You can arrive, relax, and wake up fresh and ready for your cruise. If your flight is delayed or canceled, you have a full day of buffer time to make other arrangements. The ship will not wait for you if you are late. Arriving a day early means your vacation starts in a calm and relaxed way, not with a frantic rush to the port. The big day is here. It is time to head to the cruise terminal. Plan to arrive at the port during the check-in window suggested by the cruise line, usually about 2 to 3 hours before the ship is scheduled to depart. When you arrive, you will first drop off your large, tagged luggage with the port porters. They will take it from you to be loaded onto the ship. Then you will proceed into the terminal building with your carry-on bag and your documents. The first stop is the check-in counter. Here, you will show your boarding pass and your ID or passport. After check-in, you will go through a security screening, similar to what you find at an airport. Once you are through security and immigration, if it's an international cruise, you are almost there. You will be given a cruise card. This little plastic card is incredibly important for your trip. It acts as your room key, your identification on the ship, and your onboard credit card for any purchases. You will use it for everything, from buying a drink to getting off the ship in port. Keep it safe. Before the ship sails, everyone must attend a mandatory safety drill. It is quick and easy, and it shows you what to do in an emergency.